welcome back to EnglishVerse. Today, we are going to talk about deep study and how to learn English faster. Are you ready, Mr. Clarity?
I am ready, and I am excited to share some simple and powerful ideas.
Let me start with the first question. What does deep study mean in simple English?
Deep study means focusing on one topic for a longer time without distractions and understanding it fully. It is slow, calm, and very effective
Why is deep study better than fast or random study?
because deep study helps your brain remember longer. When you study slowly and with attention, you learn faster later.
So, deep study is not about speed.
No, it is about quality. When the quality is high, your progress becomes faster naturally.
That makes sense. How can learners focus better during study time?
First, choose one thing to study, not five things. Second, keep your phone away. Third, study in a quiet place.
What is the simplest way to stop distractions?
The simplest way is to study for short blocks, like 20 minutes, then take a short break.
Why is the 20-minute block effective?
Because our mind can stay focused for 20 minutes easily, so it feels natural and less stressful.
All right. What else helps with focus? Reading out loud helps, writing helps, and repeating helps. When you use your eyes, ears, and hands together, your focus becomes stronger. How can someone use deep study to learn vocabulary faster?
Choose 5 new words only, write them down, say them out loud, and make simple sentences with them.
Why only 5 words?
Because 5 words are easy to remember deeply. If you learn 5 words every day, you learn 35 words every week.
That is a lot of new words.
Yes, and they stay in your memory because you learn them deeply.
What is another deep study technique for vocabulary?
You can connect new words to real life. For example, if you learn the word relax, use it during your day. Say, I want to relax, or I need to relax after work.
How can deep study help in speaking English faster?
The best method is shadowing. You listen to a sentence and you repeat it at the same time.
Why is shadowing so powerful?
Because your mouth and your brain learn the natural rhythm and sound of English.
How long should someone shadow every day?
Just 10 minutes, but with full focus. Deep study means short time but high attention.
Can someone shadow movies or podcasts?
Yes, but choose simple English. Choose clear English. Choose slow English.
How can learners improve listening with deep study?
Listen to the same clip 3 times. First, listen without stopping. Second, listen and pause to understand. Third, listen and repeat the key sentences.
Why repeat the same clip?
Because your brain catches new details every time. This is the power of deep study.
Is it okay to feel bored sometimes?
Yes, it is normal. Boredom means your brain is working slowly, but learning deeply.
What is deep reading in English?
Deep reading means reading slowly, noticing new words, and understanding every sentence clearly.
Should learners read long chapters?
No, they should read short paragraphs. Deep study is not about quantity.
What is a good daily reading habit?
Read one short article, underline new words, and read it again the next day.
How can deep study improve writing skills?
Start with short sentences. Copy a good sentence, read it, and then write your own version.
Why copy a sentence first?
Because it trains your brain to see good structure. After that, you create your own.
How long should a writing session be?
10 to 15 minutes are enough if you focus deeply.
What is a simple daily deep study routine?
Here's one: 5 minutes vocabulary, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, and 10 minutes speaking practice.
That sounds easy.
Yes, deep study removes stress. It keeps everything simple and focused.
How long should someone follow this routine?
For at least 30 days. Then English becomes easier and faster.
What mistakes do learners make when trying to study deeply?
They study too many things at once. They try to go too fast. They watch content without practicing,
What is the biggest mistake?
thinking that learning must be difficult. Deep study is gentle and slow.
How can learners avoid these mistakes?
By choosing one goal every day and doing it with full focus.
How can learners stay motivated while doing deep study?
Celebrate small progress. If you learn 5 new words, feel proud. If you read one page, feel proud.
Why do small wins matter?
Because small wins build confidence, and confidence makes learning faster.
That is true. What else helps with motivation?
Study at the same time every day. A stable routine creates strong habits.
Can you give our learners a simple, deep study plan for 1 week?
Yes, here it is. Day 1, learn 5 new words and shadow for 10 minutes. Day 2, listen to one short clip 3 times. Day 3, read one page slowly. Day 4, write 10 short sentences. Day 5, shadow a small conversation. Day 6, revise everything. Day 7, rest or repeat your favorite activity.
That sounds easy to follow.
Yes, deep study works best when it feels simple.
What is your final advice for learners who want to study deeply and learn faster?
Focus on less, practice slowly, repeat often, and enjoy the process.
That is wonderful advice.
Deep study is peaceful, and peaceful learning is powerful learning.
Thank you for joining us today on EnglishVerse.
We hope this deep study guide helps you learn English faster.
Remember to practice a little every day.
And remember, deep focus builds deep skills.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep learning.